Good day everyone. My name is Christian Ocampo Aguilar and I'm here to explain what is stability booklet and what information is found in stability booklet used in boardship and why it is very important for seafarers. So first of all, let me discuss what is stability booklet. So stability booklet is a critical safety documents for seafarers containing essential data to maintain a vessel's balance and prevent capsizing. So kaning stability booklet yung na-explore yung data document nga na dito nakalista ang mga importance about ship, about vessel's balance para maka-prevent siya og capsizing. So di ra kay kana and naapay daghan. So let's continue to the part nga atong i-discuss ang mga information or mga context nga makita nato sa stability booklet. So first is the general ship information. So it includes vessel's name, IMO number, dimension displacement, and light ship data from inclining test. So kini si general information is mura ni mga information sa barko. Like for example, ang pangalan sa ship, ang dimension displacement, and including ang IMO number and light ship data from inclining test. So mo na siya general information, general ship information. So second is the hydrostatic and stability data. So hydrostatic curves, cross curves of stability or K-in curves and free surface moment calculation for tanks. So naapon ni siya makita nato sa stability booklet ang hydrostatic and stability data. So mura na siya mga calculations for tanks, mga hydrostatic curves, nga K-in curves. So mura na siya ang hydrostatic and stability data. So next is the loading and capacity lines. So kini siya is mura na siya capacity tables for cargo, space, and tanks along with centers of gravity and free surface data. So mura na siya mga plano or mga unsay mga pwede nga ikuan about sa loading and capacity plan sa barko. So manajay mga capacity tables for cargo spaces and also centers for gravity and free surface data. So as ahong giingon. So next one is the operational guidance. So instruction for loading ballast management and emergency procedures like cross load flooding. So usa po nato makita sa stability booklet kining mga instruction about loading, ang kana kunong mga balance management and also mga emergency procedures like cross flooding. So next is the regulatory compliance. So yung regulatory compliance is meron siyang mga maximum kg limits, mga limits sa ship, ang minimum kg curves and damage stability criteria. So mo na siya gikuan sa regulatory compliance. So next is the specialized diagram. So general arrangement plans nga na showing water length, watertight compartments, down flooding angles, and allowable deck loading. So mo na siya specialized diagram. So makita po na nato siya sa stability booklet. So mo na ang mga information ma-found nato sa stability booklet used on board ship. Let us continue to why is it very important ang stability booklet sa seafarers. So let's discuss that also sa mga unsay mga rason nganong importante ang stability booklet. So first is the safety and stability management. So like I said ganina, ang stability booklet is na-contain ni mga hydrostatic data, mga stability curves, and free surface moment calculations. So na dito na nakalista sa stability booklet. So that is why it's important kay na siya makita dito. If usa ka seafarers pwede ra tunimo ni si tan-awon. So mo na diay makatabang ang crew to assist stability under various conditions. This prevents capsizing by ensuring the ship's center of gravity remains below metacentric height. So that is why it is important for seafarers. So, second is the operational guidance. So, ang kaning stability booklet is nag-offer sa siya mga step-by-step procedures for safe loading, like I said, the ballast management, and emergency responses. Like for example, it helps avoid weight creep, unauthorized addition like tools or paint that disrupts the stability. So even if gamay ra na siya nga mga kuan, so maka-disrupt siya po na sa stability. So that is why it's important ang stability booklet. So that is operational guidance. And then the regulatory compliance. So mandated by the international conventions, the SOLAS. So mandatory na gud na stability booklet. So to ensure nga ang vessels is meet the safety standards. Crew must understand and follow its guidelines to avoid legal penalties. So that is why it's important also. Then lastly is the training and decision making. So simplifies complex concepts like writing decisions, for instance, and explaining how high GM or step shift that causes rapid rolling, while low GM tender shifts offers smoother motions. So kini po kunong stability booklet is mo na siya makahatag og training and decision making sa seafarers. So by the stability booklet makahatag ni siya mga plano, mga ingana aron maka-manage and maka-training ang usa ka seafarers by the stability booklet. So that would be all. I hope you learned something from my discussion. Thank you.